Hey you guys, welcome back to Eats with Bree. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, thumbs this video up, give it a big thumbs up, hit that notification bell so every time I post a video, yes you, are reminded, and leave your feedback in the comment section because I would love to hear what you guys think. Hey you guys, so today you guys, we are eating some Dominican food. Yes we are, guys, I eat this stuff all the time. Today we are having some roast pork, some yellow rice and beans, and we got our bread on the side. To drink we are having water, because I ain't have water in a while on my mukbangs. I mean, I drink water, but I just haven't been drinking it on my mukbangs as much as I should. So we're making sure we drink it today. How's everyone's day going? Okay, you guys, we about to dig in. I'm hungry. Mm. And they season it so well. Rice and beans is my favorite when it comes to Spanish food. When I say they seasoned that well, they really seasoned that really well. So yeah, how's everyone morning going? You guys, I swear every time I come on here, I have a story to tell y'all. I gotta tell y'all what happened to me yesterday. So, yesterday, you guys, I wanted to get a wash and set done to my hair. That was the plan, wash and set. Now, I didn't go to the spot I normally go to because I was nowhere near that spot yesterday, but my hair needed to be done. So I said, I'll just go to a spot that's close to where I'm at. Big mistake. Big mistake. So I seen this hair salon not too far from where I was. It was like a 5-minute walk. So I was like, all right, let me go there and try it out. I get inside and I read the sign. The sign, I got the prices on it. It says, for a wash and set, $20. For a wash, set, and blow, $25. So I said, what's the difference? Because wash and set, are you saying that you're not going to blow dry my hair? Like, what's the difference? Like, let me know what's the difference. So she says, oh, I think you should do the wash, set, and blow because your hair is really natural. You don't have no perm or nothing in it. So I think you should get the wash, set, and blow. I'm like, okay. Let me get the wash, set, and blow for $25. So she didn't have nobody at the time, so she started my head. So she took me to the sink. She washed my hair. She shampooed it. She did all that good stuff to it. She took me to the front where she blow dries it. Now, normally, when you get a wash and set, you normally use the blow dryer and the brush together because it comes out so much straighter. Sis pulled out the blow dryer with the comb. In my head, I'm thinking, I could have did that myself at home. But whatever, right? So, she pulls out the blow dryer with the comb. Start blow drying my hair. Mad rough. Like, my hair still hurt. My hair hurt right now. I'm having a rough hair day, guys. So, she blow drying, mad rough. Rough. Being so rough. Blow dry my scalp. I'm like, you're hurting me. So, she blow dries it. And when she finished blow drying it, I had a big poof. Like, just big poof. I'm thinking she about to get the flat iron my hair so it could come down and look nice and cute or whatever. She gonna say, now what you want me to do? I'm sorry, what? What I want you to do? I'm so confused what you mean by that. I want you to finish my hair. That's what I want you to do. Just finish my hair. That's what I came here for. So what do you mean what I want you to do? So she's gonna say, I said, I want you to finish my hair. Put a part down the middle. Flat iron and do whatever. Make it come down looking nice. She's gonna say, oh, if you want your hair done like that, you gotta pay more. That's about $30 more added to the $25. Pause. What? Come again? 30 what? So now I gotta pay you to finish my hair is what you're trying to tell me? Because that sign on that sign that y'all have on the desk says wash, set, and blow. All you did was wash and blow. You ain't set nothing. Like, you trying to make me walk out the door looking crazy. You set absolutely nothing. Where's my set? So she gonna say, oh no, that's not, what she said was, oh no, I'm not Dominican. Dominicans do the wash and sets and blow. We don't really set like that. We not Dominican. I don't care if you're Dominican. I don't care if you're African. I don't care if you're Haitian. I don't care if you're American. Your sign says wash, set, blow. I specifically asked for that before you even started my head. You told me one set price, $25. Now that you're almost on my head, you added $30 more to that? That's not gonna work. So, she gonna say, you ever walk into the 99-cent store and you pick up something and it said 99 cents, but when you get to the register, it's more? I said, ma'am, I don't even care about no 99-cent store right now. I'm just talking about my hair. You gave me that set price, and that's what I'm gonna pay. So finish my hair so I could go. She gonna say, oh, there's no way I could do that. I could finish your hair for only $25. Okay. So y'all know what I did? I stood up. She had like this thing on me to prevent the hair getting on my clothes. So I snatched that off of me. I said, ma'am, let me tell you one more time. Finish my head. And I'll pay you the $25. Or I'm walking out that door. And she talking about, oh, I'm going to call the owner on you. I'm calling the owner. All right. Call the owner. And while you calling her, just know I'm walking out that door. And that's what I did. I walked right out that door. I'm not going to keep going back and forth with you to tell you to finish my hair. And you started telling me you're not going to finish it unless I pay $30 more. What? I don't know what happened to you. In a couple of minutes from you doing washing it to blow drying it, where you realized I should have charged her more or whatever. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I gave you multiple chances to finish so I could pay you. You didn't want to finish my hair. So you can't possibly think I'm going to pay you anything. So she started yelling, you thief, you thief. I'm calling the cops. Go ahead. Do what you gotta do. At the end of the day, you did not do my hair. You did not finish my hair at all. I walked out that door looking crazy. Hair all over the place. I looked the worse walking out than I did walking in. And I'm supposed to pay you for that? Yeah. I don't know what was wrong with her. She was all the way bugged out. Mm-mm. The fact she tried to compare to the 99-cent store, talking about you ever walk into a 99-cent store and something say 99 cents, but when you get to the register, it's more than 99 cents. What? Where are we going with this? Like, I'm all the way confused on where we're going with this. I love putting my rice on my bread. Don't judge me, guys. It tastes good. Don't knock it till you try it. I'm getting full, y'all. That food was good, though. Whew. I still can't believe that happened, yo. What would y'all have done if y'all go get y'all hair done? They tell you one set price. Like, fellas, y'all go to the barbershop, the man tell you $10. And when he done your hair, he tell you 25. Not even when he done. When he get to the middle of your head, he tell you 25. What would you do? Like, I just, I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. But anyways, you guys, if you are not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Thumbs this video up. Give it a big thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so every time I post a video, you are reminded. And leave your feedback in the comment section because I would love to hear what you guys think.